I'm going to show off some simple commands with Git. So first we'll start off making sure we have Git installed, and you do that just by simply typing Git. We can see that since it gives us this little menu and shows us how to use Git, that we do have Git because it gives us this usage page. So next is what we'll do is we'll initialize it with Git init. And I've already made a repository, so it already has, it's already initialized before, so it's reinitializing it inside that repository. Some stuff we can do is we can show our status with git status, and this kind of shows off things that's been added, changed, not yet committed. So here, it shows us that we got these untracked files. I just added this file, file1, and these other files are just simply things made by the editor. And so if I wanted to add this file in, I could use git add file1.txt. And then if we do git status again, we can see that it's added and ready to be committed. It is now tracked by Git. So then we want to add it. So we can do that with git commit. And then we can use another command, this -m, to add a message to it. We can say we added file1. And then we can see that that is now added to the repository. We can once again do git status. And we can see that that it's no longer in here because it's been added. To show some stuff we could do git log. And these kind of show off all the things that we have going on. So right now over here, we've added this file. So that's the most recent thing we've done. And then before that, we apparently, this is what I did earlier, deleted it, a file. So that kind of just shows off some of the things we've done with Git, shows our log of what we've done so far. And since this is I've done multiple things, so now we're at the end. So that is good. And then we can do some configuration type stuff with Git. So we can use git config. And then we can do stuff like putting in usernames, our email, just to kind of identify who or what is changing certain things. Right now with git config, we can do list to see all the prevalent information. So you can see that my username is this, and that my email is this, and the editor I'm using to edit files is I, and all that fun stuff. We can do checkout to kind of go to different things. So first we'll do is log, say I don't like that I added this file. So what I'll simply do is I'll take this hash, copy it, and we'll go to the end here. Nice. Create a new one. So then we'll use git checkout. And then we simply just have to put in that hash that we copied. And then we can see that we are now changed to that. So we can actually check that if we go in here. See, we no longer have file 1 in our files anymore. That is because we moved back to a different commit. And we can say we made a mistake and we needed to actually go back. We can actually just take that back to git checkout master, and that just takes us back to the latest change. So now we're back on our master branch. We can also remove files. So like I said, so we have this hello text thing. We could git rm for remove hello dot text. I think that was the name. Yep. Go. But we're not done yet because we have to commit this change. So, and we can put this message in again and say we removed hello.text. And there we go. We deleted something. We can see that once again with the git log. We can actually even add another thing, make it a little simpler, call it one line. This kind of condenses it and abbreviates some things. If I type it right, that is oh, got my E, one line, and I forgot a second dash as well. And there we go. Now we can see here's where here's our head. It's our master branch. We removed hello. And before that, we changed a file. And before that, we had a new file. Those are from our messages. So all that's looking good. And there is some other stuff that we can do. One more thing that I can show. We can use git diff staged. These kind of show off some things that are, this shows exactly what's staged for getting committed. It doesn't show anything because I don't have anything.